There's where he fucks up.
No, you gotta go.
He's not laying on the side of it quick enough.
Nope.
That's sitting on the wrong side of the slip.
Hear that sound? That.
The snow's getting deep real quick. Holy shit, you can hardly fucking turn on the hill. You're starting out on the wrong side, Rod.
Yeah, he should go the other way, right? I don't think Old Chafe's going to be trying this. Still trying to turn around.
It's hard to turn around, man.
Yeah. How far is the bottom of that?
Yeah, it's not that far.
Here he comes. He's got to lay on that thing the whole time, though. Oh no!
You better stay off the hill, Roch. What, are you done? You can't make it up the fucking hill! Sissy. You got my nut!
You say he busted his nuts?
Sounds that way.
His voice did have a little bit of a higher octave to it, didn't it?
Think it's gonna snow today?
This is crazy amount of snow.
He's gonna roll that.
He's gonna roll it.
Right?
Yep, he's not gunning it enough.
I don't know why you don't understand. He's got to stand on the other side of it.
He's trying to carve. He's just trying to do some carving. There he goes.
Can't hang out anymore, I'm out of gas. God, it's that fun. The bottom side of Rochi's track, we've seen that a lot this weekend.
That's the bad thing about it. It's snowing bad.
You giving up?
You just done right there, huh?
I'm done for a minute.